The Green Planet, which opened at City Walk on the 1st of September, recreates the natural environment of rainforests, with their rich biological diversity of more than 3,000 plants and animals. The center is full of variety of animals and birds brought right out of the jungle.
What are you doing exactly?
Yes,
What are you doing exactly?
I'm trying to prepare the chrysalis so after we can turn into butterfly.
After 1 week.
Yes. Like you can have a look over there. I stick them upside.
You can even observe the process of how the caterpillars are undergoing a remarkable transformation to become butterflies. As you can see, the employees of the Green Planet are very pleased to help them in this process.
Even this one is free. Even this one is free. It's just coming out of the
There is also an aquarium with more than 15 species of fish, ponds with lily pads, turtles and dragonflies. All can be found in the center. The entrance fee per adult is 95 dirhams and 70 dirhams for kids. Visitors start their journey on the 4th floor, and as they come down, the journey becomes more and more educational. A variety of species of free-roaming birds, including unique parrots, toucans, porcupines, and others, reptiles, frogs, sloths, ants, bees, cockroaches, and many more. There is also a nice souvenir shop at the exit, with a specially well-designed t-shirt for kids and plush toys featuring all inhabitants of the center. All in all, we had a great day in the dome and advise you to visit it too.
One is green, one is blue, and one is green over there. It's actually here. You see the head? Yes.